Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this tutorial, we will optimize the dashboard layout to ensure a clean and organized interface rather than a cluttered setup. Let's get started. To begin, we will rearrange the existing dashboard for better visibility. This process will be done using the mobile app, as it is more intuitive and provides a clear representation of the final layout. Navigating to the menu, we select Settings, then open Dashboard Settings. Here we can edit and customize each dashboard separately. For now, we focus on the Academy dashboard. The first step is to move larger, high-priority controls, such as heating systems, to the top of the dashboard. To do this, we simply press and hold an element, then drag it to the desired position. We repeat the process for the fan coil unit and other key devices, ensuring they remain easily accessible. Once this adjustment is made, the display instantly updates to reflect the new layout. Next, we focus on sensors and monitoring devices such as temperature and humidity sensors. These elements are moved to the bottom of the dashboard, ensuring a clear separation between active controls and passive monitoring tools. This refined structure makes the dashboard both visually appealing and more functional. To further enhance usability, we will now categorize devices by room, simulating the setup of a real home environment. To achieve this, we create new dashboards dedicated to specific rooms. We start by adding a new dashboard and naming it Kitchen. Additionally, we can specify that it belongs to the first floor for better organization. Next, we select the default role and choose the specific elements that should be included in this room's dashboard. Since this is the kitchen, we add the following: kitchen light, kitchen heating system, kitchen temperature sensor. Once selected, we save the configuration, and immediately the kitchen dashboard appears on the display. Switching to the kitchen dashboard, we now see the kitchen-specific elements clearly arranged. We can further refine the layout, adjusting the position of each item for an optimized user experience. Now that we have created dedicated dashboards for specific rooms, we will remove unnecessary elements from the main Academy dashboard to keep it streamlined. We navigate back to the dashboard settings and hide redundant temperature readings as they are already included in the heating zones. However, we retain humidity sensors as they provide useful additional data. After making these adjustments, we save the settings. With these refinements, the dashboard is now clean, structured, and efficient, featuring a main dashboard for system-wide control and individual room dashboards for focused management. We have successfully organized the dashboard, making it more functional and visually refined. Thank you for joining us at PIERRE Academy. See you in the next tutorial.